Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about can we use Talkie Soulful AI on PC. So let's get into the video. So if you are looking for a direct answer whether you can use this on a PC, the direct answer for this is no. But however, there is a workaround that you can do if you want to use your Talkie on PC. So you can do that with the help of BlueStacks. So if you search for BlueStacks on Google, if you download BlueStacks, through BlueStacks you'll be able to use Talkie AI on your PC. So just download BlueStacks. Once you have downloaded BlueStacks and install it, so if you go to your BlueStacks here, so once you have installed it, so now just click on open Google Play app. So this will open up your Google Play app on your PC. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you will get to this screen here, similar to your Play Store on your phone. So you'll get this screen here, and you can log into your account, your Google Play account, and then now what you can do, you can simply search for Talkie Soulful AI, like how you normally do on your phone. So just search for it, and once you search for it, you should see the app show up on the results. So just 1 second, so just a connection issue. Alright, there you go. So if you search for it, then you will see that Talkie is available, and all you have to do is hit on install and install it, and then once you have installed it, then you'll be able to use this Talkie on your PC like how you normally do on your phone. So that's pretty much it is. So that's the workaround we have as of now. So hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.